Okay, it's time.
Yowza. 29 degrees sure is chilly in here. Whatcha think, Don? How about you, John? Cold?
Absolutely, it sure is a bit nippy. Why don't you try to get some heat out of that propane heater? Be careful though. That thing can get away from you pretty easy.
Okay, stand back. Gonna crank this baby up. Hey, check out the little snowman someone left us. That sounds kind of weak. Watch out. Gonna turn up the flame a notch or two.
I think you got it. I think the skin on my face just peeled off with that flame.